What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yaadi Girl Flava, and today I am making the ultimate flavorful seafood rice. We're gonna have crab legs, lobster, crawfish, and shrimp. So let's get into it. Here I have a pot of water. I'm seasoning with some spice and herbs and peppers. And these banana peppers came from our garden. So I'm just gonna let that come to a boil. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I'm gonna add this crawfish seasoning. I didn't add the whole packet though because I wasn't making a lot. This was only for 3 people. So I just had like 2 or 3 clusters of crab leg. I didn't need all of that, so I just used like maybe a quarter or so of this packet. Then we're gonna let that come to a boil and cook. Then I'm gonna remove it and cook my rice. And when my rice is halfway through, I'm gonna add back my seafood and then into the oven. Oh my god, the flavor was so on point. The spice was there, the flavor was there. You can get the lemon, the herb. It was just so delicious. Look at this, and this broth, you just can't get enough of it. Let's just pour it all over. But thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.